Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple earring using pearls and donut. Let's start. Take a 2-hole donut, small size one, then one eye pin and 4 to 5 L'Oreals. And now let's start. Take a eye pin and open a loop and insert some L'Oreals into it. 4 to 5 L'Oreals. After inserting, close the loop. And now insert gold color small ball. And then take a donut and insert big size white pearl into it and insert both into eye pin at the top like this. And now after that again insert small size ball and big size designer ball, again small size golden ball. Now after inserting all, at the end make a loop by folding a pin. Make a loop like an eye pin. And now take a hook, open out a loop at the bottom and insert this into it. After inserting, close the loop. This earring is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.